Hey guys.
Hi YouTube.
How you doing? We left Vegas in the last video.
Yes.
We went to Overton,
Nevada.
Overton, Nevada. And this is probably 12 to 15 miles off of 15 between Las Vegas and Mesquite. It's on the east side of 15. As soon as you come out of Overton, on
15?
No. What's that route?
Oh my.
I'll put it in here somewhere. It'll be like right here.
Yeah.
But as soon as you come out of town, you go through these little windies and you look up and you'll see, they call them mesas, just flat top areas up there, and you'll see lined with RVs and everything. And from that point on, it's just anywhere you want to park, there's boondocking. I'll throw some footage that Dwight got his drone up and shot some video and turned out really good.
Yes.
I'll throw that in here. But that is a awesome spot. We didn't film from there because I didn't want to film from sitting in the coach, and we had hurricane gust winds the entire time we was there.
No, not the entire time. We had a couple of days.
No, it was horrible.
We had a couple of days out of 14 that we could get out and sit and visit, but for the most part it was really, really windy.
Very windy.
But that's called the Moapa Valley. That whole area is called the Moapa Valley.
Valley of Fire. We went into Valley of Fire. Where are we at?
We are at
Elephant Gap, Utah. We are 15 minutes from the East Gate of Zion National Park. We found this spot. It is just south of 9 and 89, south of Mount Carmel, Utah. There's a huge lot across the road on the state road. You come down this big old hill. And right at the base of that hill, if you look to the right heading north, you'll see this big lot. It almost looks like a state garage.
Right.
We pulled in there, dropped a car, and come and check this area out. I'll throw some footage in it of us driving. The road is immaculate. It's dirt, but it's in very, very good shape. But the spots that you pull off, there's very few of them. And like us, we have 5 coaches. You have to find a spot you can get 5 coaches in, like for us. And even if they weren't with us, there's probably only about 3 or 4 spots we could stay at.
Exactly.
You know, there's just, it's like what's behind us. You know, it's just a scrub and
it's
rough.
sandy. It's real sandy because it's near the river. I think that's the Virgin something river. Anyway, it's near the river. We can actually hear it rushing. So it's real sandy. So we kind of got to be careful. Some of the people, you can tell they were in here and it was muddy and they've left these big ruts where they've tried to get out. So we don't want it to be them.
Yeah, and it is soft. As I was backing in, I started my track started getting a little deeper, so I pulled forward. But you know, just get out and walk. You know, drive your car over and see how your car sinks.
Yeah.
But this is a beautiful spot. We're going to do Zion, which this morning, now we just got here yesterday, but this morning we just found out that there's a lot of things closed in Zion. A couple of them that's in our group wanted to do Angel's Landing. It is closed because of a condor.
California condor.
Has a nest up there with 1 egg in it, and they won't let nobody near it. And then the falcon nesting season is going on also.
March,
so you can't do Angel's Landing because of all that. So it's closed. And there's a lot of other things closed because of still snow and the washout from a storm. So we're going to get in, see what we can, go up to Bryce. This big group we're in is getting ready to split up.
That'll be a sad day.
Yep, we're pretty much going to be on our own, and everybody else is heading south down into Page, and a couple of them's going, or 1 or 2 is going up to Monument Valley. The other ones are heading over to Pueblo, Colorado, and everybody's working their way home.
Yeah.
Not us.
Not us.
No. we're gonna slow down because it's starting. There's nights here it's getting down in the 30s in the forecast, and then highs in the mid to high 50s. So we're gonna slow down and stay here as long as we can, or maybe go a little farther north and see if we can get into some warmer temperatures. Get down. We're 5,100 feet. I'd like to get down to about 2,000 if I can, and hopefully it'll warm up. So. But that's what's going on. Hopefully we'll get some good stuff coming out of Zion.
It's been nice to see trees again. We haven't seen real trees for, well, since December.
Well, in Overton, all the snakes, the lizards, the spiders, the scoria, whatever that lives in the desert's coming out because it was getting warm. But now we're back up here where the highs are 60s, lows are 30s. And
so those things aren't coming out here yet.
Critters are still chilling in their little dens. So...
yeah. We'll throw in some pictures of, you know, how we're camped. I mean, normally we don't camp this close to other people, but we're in a group together, and we needed to fit us all in one spot. So. Well,
and there's 2 other people in this little area that wasn't designed to have this many in it.
Yeah.
But we asked them, and they said, "Oh, that's fine. Go ahead. We're good with it." And if you remember,
especially after what happened the last time.
That was 200 yards and it was too close. So these people, we ain't 50 feet from them. They don't care.
They were excited to have people that they could talk to, you know.
Well, it's like they said, you know, you get a group of people and security's a little bit better if you leave and go do something. Which is something I've never worried about that much. But anyways, let's get out and see what we can find.
Yay!
Utah's very pretty. It's funny because, you know, we've went from Yuma up to here now, and everything's changed.
Yeah.
The terrain has changed, the weather has changed.
Oh yeah.
But it's a good change. On our way to Yellowstone, hopefully.
Hopefully we'll be able to get into Yellowstone.
Yes, before we need, well, there's no need to head east before we want to head east.
Before I want to be home. Or I want to be back in Ohio, I should say.
Right. So, with that said, thanks for watching.
Yep.
As always.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
Facebook.
Instagram.
Thanks to all the new subs. Thanks for everybody that's ordered stickers. We got our order of stickers back.
Yep.
So we're back to sending them back out again. So
oh yeah.
There you go. Everything's down below in the little description box thing that you hit the little arrow and it all shoots down. Click it and buy you a sticker. Guys, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye-bye.